Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about one of the Citrix products, which is Citrix Zen Mobile or Citrix Endpoint Management. So most of the guys have heard about Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops, Citrix NetScaler, Citrix Application Delivery Controller, Citrix Zen Server, but Citrix Zen Mobile or Citrix Endpoint Management is one of the key products or important products that we have from Citrix in the market, and many customers use this product in the Citrix environment. So I would like to give some details about this product because I have worked on this product in the past and I would like to share some details about this product. So let's say there is an organization and this organization has like 3,000 employees working in this organization, and let's say 2,000 employees are very important people, or these users like to travel all around the world, and these are the most important users in the organization. So for these particular users, especially for the people who like to travel, or for the people who like to work from home, uh, these business users can work on laptop, but with the help of Citrix Zen Mobile or Citrix Endpoint Management, what we can do is we can provide all business applications to these users through Citrix. So let's say if a user wants to access a Citrix virtual application or desktop application. In Citrix virtual apps and desktops, users open up a browser, type the URL, and then enter the credentials, and then they connect to the log into the Citrix environment and they launch the application to access it. But when it comes to Citrix Zen Mobile or Citrix Endpoint Management, what happens is users can install an application called Citrix Secure Hub or Works Home. Okay, if you see in the center, this is Works Home application. This application is available on Play Store and uh, Android Store. So what users can do is users can download this application from Play Store or App Store, and they can install it on their endpoint devices. It could be an iPhone or iPad or a tablet. Okay, I think right now the name has changed to Secure Hub. In the previous version, it used to be called Works Home. Now it is called Secure Hub. Okay, so this is available in Play Store and App Store. So users can straight away download from the store and they can install it on their endpoint device. So what happens is once they install this particular application on their endpoint device, they can connect to the Citrix environment. Okay, they can mention the URL of the for the Citrix environment, and once they mention the URL, okay, they have to authenticate. Once they enter the URL, they have to authenticate. The enrollment process would start automatically. They have to enter the credentials, and the enrollment process happens automatically, and they have to download the profile and other information from the backend servers. And once the enrollment completes successfully, users can install Worksmail application, Worksweb application, WorksEdit application, and all other applications to use it on their devices. Okay, so this is installed like any other app on the device. Like the way you install a normal app, you can install this on the iPhone, iPad, tablets. Okay, but the most important thing is at any point in time, if this device is stolen or if this device is lost, what we can do is this particular user can easily inform the Citrix administrator or the person who is managing this particular Zen mobile environment, and we can actually wipe the data from the backend. Okay, from the backend, we can wipe the data. We can delete only, if we want, we can delete only Citrix related data, or if we want to delete the entire information, we can do it from the backend. So the importance here is we can segregate the user information, user's personal information from the corporate applications basically. Okay, so the main benefit of this is, so these days users are connecting from any endpoint device. Okay, it could be, I'm sorry, it could be an iPad or iPhone or tablet. So let's say a user has five personal devices at home. Let's say user has two iPads, two tablets, and one iPhone. So what is the point of, providing a new device to this particular user? Okay, so companies need not, give a new device, buy a new device and give it to the user, because user already has a lot of devices at home. So we call this concept as a BYOD, or bring your own device. Okay, so we have two types. One is BYOD and the other one is corporate. So BYOD means bring your own device. So when users have their own personal devices, they can connect to the Citrix environment and they can install all their business applications. Okay, it is not only Worksmail, WorksWeb application, the default applications. They can also install Windows applications, software as a service applications, and also the custom applications which they have in their business. Okay, the custom, every organization, let's say an organization is a finance organization, they have their own custom applications. If it is an insurance organization, they have their own custom insurance applications. So they can install all these applications on their end user devices and they can use it. Okay, so the key, the main advantage of Citrix Zen Mobile is we can easily deploy applications to the users, without even buying a new device, without even providing a new device. Users can use their personal devices to connect to the Citrix environment and use all these business applications. Okay, so at any point in time, if this end user device, okay, let's say user is using one iPhone, and if the iOS version is not up to date, or if the iOS version is out of date, then what happens is we can set some policies on the back end saying that if the endpoint device is not running on the latest version, the enrollment should not happen. Okay, so because it is not uh, meeting the compliance. Okay, when the compliance is not met, it will not enroll with the Citrix Endpoint Management or Citrix Zen Mobile environment. So in this way, we can only allow the devices which are highly secured and which are having the compliance requirements basically, okay, which are meeting the compliance requirements. So let's say this user has not only an iPhone. If this user is on Windows phone, okay, users can also connect from Windows phones. It's not only from iPhone. Users can connect from Windows phone, users can connect from Android phones as well. So these are the key benefits of Citrix Zen Mobile. So we can, keep a lot of restrictions on these endpoint devices, like, users usually when they use their endpoint device, they simply set a simple password saying that, okay, I don't know, 1 2 3 4 or whatever it is. But we can set policies using mobile device management. Okay, so from the Citrix Zen Mobile infrastructure servers, we can set some policies like users should put 4 digit or 6 digit pin, okay, to connect to the Citrix environment. So we can do all these things. So these are the key benefits of the Citrix Zen Mobile or Citrix Endpoint Management. So users can basically work from any location, traveling around the world at on any device. Okay, it could be any tablet or simple iPhone as well. They can connect to these business applications and they can use it. And at any point in time, once the work is done, okay, once the work is done, they can simply log off. Okay, so this makes sure that the data is safe and secure on the Citrix environment and over the back end. Okay, so the data is not saved, even though the applications are installed on the end user devices. At any point in time, if the device is lost or stolen, they can simply call up the help desk and they say that my device is lost or my device is stolen. So Citrix administrators can simply remove this particular device or wipe the data from the backend. Okay, so so this is the best way to onboard any new users. Let's say this organization is onboarding 100 employees or 50 employees every week. So simply you can give this URL and users can connect from their endpoint devices to connect to the Citrix environment. So basically, this will make end users very happy because some users, VIP users, they just need to use the business applications to get the work done. They need not use virtual desktops or other applications. They just need a couple of applications to send emails and all. So for these business users or the most important users who work in the organization, this Citrix Endpoint Management or Citrix Zen Mobile will help a lot to uh, to do their work or to manage the work in a very efficient way. Okay. I hope you find my information helpful. I would like to talk about this topic in detail, maybe in the coming videos. Thank you for the video. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.